Yo, yo, yo! This is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Rumble Rush. Here we are. This is Super Boss number 28, Entei. I think we won't have a hard time with this, especially with our Tyrant. And we're gonna give him a nice summon gear, which is our favorite summon gear, Earthquake. Or Magnitude, rather. Magnitude, the trio. They should make an Earthquake, Earthquake summon gear soon. And with that said, I think we're gonna have some fun here. Let's have some fun. 6, 7, 8. Are you charging towards me? Yes, you did. Let me just run away from that. Oh, come on. I got hit. I hate this. Switch to Earthquake once again. He's shielding. I can actually use Brick Break, guys. Just switch to a Brick Break. Destroy his shield in one go. And switch back. But my HP is kind of low. I might actually die when... Let us try and avoid dying. There you go. He's summoning, which is good. We might actually get to kill him in the next attack. I don't know if that's gonna happen. Let's try and destroy his shield like right now. The Charizard might kill me. And he should be dead. That was fun. And that was Super Boss number 28, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys with Super Boss number 29 in the next video. Tyranitar also should be weak to the same move. Rawr.